To combine in series the OMNI device with the Jafron HA cartridges with the HA380, you need a specific holder to keep the HA cartridge vertical. Then you need the OMNI Set Plus from B. Brown, the Jafron tubing set to connect in series both systems, and finally 3 liters of saline solution to prime in series both circuits with heparin or without if the CRRT is performed with citrate anticoagulation like in CVVHD mode here. If you use heparin, please follow the procedure of the HA cartridge IFU. To prime in series the HA380 cartridge with the OMNI Set Plus. Firstly, you have to disconnect the artery line of the OMNI Set Plus. Then, connect the end of this line to the priming line of the Jafron tubing set. Reconnect the red access to the top of the hemo filter. In this case, you are in post-filter position for the HA cartridge. Before starting the priming procedure, open the 2 white clamps to prime the segment in between. As soon as this is done, clamp the 2 white clamps again. Now open all the clamps. Now you are ready to prime in series with 3 liters of saline solution with heparin or with citrate. When you prime in series, all the priming solution will circulate in the cartridge and then in the hemo filter. As you need to prime with 3 liters of saline solution, you need to replace the priming collection bag of the OMNI Set Plus of the OMNI after 2 liters by the collection bag of the HA cartridge, which is also a 2-liter empty bag. Always deaerate correctly the HA cartridge with a rubber hammer. At the end of the priming, you need to turn the HA380 cartridge again of the priming way. Now you're ready to start the connection to the patient. Also, on the OMNI end priming screen, you need to enter the name of the HA380 cartridge used in combination with the OMNI Set Plus. The user can see on the main screen of the OMNI the additional cartridge used at any time. To enter the name, use the touch screen of the OMNI.